Welcome. Today we are going to see about tests of divisibility. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is any of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. For example, see the first one, 58,694. Here the ones value is 4. So already we know that 4 is divisible by 2. So the whole number is divisible by 2. See the other one, while 86,945 is not divisible by 2. Here the last ones value is 5. 5 is not divisible by 2. So the whole number is not divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, let's see the first example. In the number 168 is divisible by 3. Since the sum of the digits is 15, see how 1 plus 6 plus 8 which is equal to 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So 168 is divisible by 3. Now see the second example. In the number 6,95,421, the sum of digits which is equal to 27, which is divisible by 3. So the whole number is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. See the example 1, 316. Here last two digit number which is 16 is divisible by 4. So the number 316 is also divisible by 4. Example 2, 68,79,376. Last two digit here 76 which is also divisible by 4. So the number 68,79,376 is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 only when its unit digit is 0 or 5. See the example 1, 195. Here the ones value is 5. 5 can divide 5 and also 195 is also divisible by 5. In example 2, 68,790. Here the ones value which is 0. So the number 68,790 is also divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3. See the example 1, 168 is divisible by 6 since it is divisible by 2 and also by 3. In example 2, in the number 279 is divisible by 3 but not 2. Since 279 is not divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining number. If the result is divisible by 7, then so was the original number. Apply this rule over and over again as necessary. See the example 1, 826. Here the ones value is 6. Twice it we get 12. So take 12 from the remaining number as 82. Now 82 subtract 12 we get 70. So which is divisible by 7. So the number 826 is divisible by. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. See the example. In example 1, 7120 is divisible by 8. Here the last three digit number 120 which is divisible by 8. So the number 7120 is also divisible by 8. In example 2, 98,640 is divisible by 8. Here last three digit number 640 which is also divisible by 8. So the number is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. See the example. In example 1, 549 is divisible by 9. Since the sum of the digit is 5 plus 4 plus 9 which is equal to 18. So we know that 18 is divisible by 9. So the number 549 is also divisible by 9. In example 2, in the number 7,34,519, the sum of digit 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 which is equal to 29. 29 cannot divided by 9. So the number 7,34,519 is not divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 only when its unit digit is 0. See the example. In example 1, 5670. Here the ones value which is 0. It can be divided by 10. So the number 5670 which is divisible by 10. And example 2, 5465. Here the 1's value, which is 5, cannot divided by 10. So the number 5465, which is not divisible by 10. Thank you.